Stunt Lots and Surrons. The only electric bike at the lot, y'all. Dig it, you know what I'm saying? We got here Big Jesus on the ground, you feel me? Kids got the sauce. All these kids got the sauce, I ain't going front. They really showing me up, so I had to go out there and do what I gotta do, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. You know, I ain't no scrub. I'm out here foot dragging and stuff, but that's a way different feel than gas, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like at any given time you get loop, you know what I'm saying? Even with the good stuff. You can like go down there and shit, but I got but yeah, we out here Shoyland. Yeah, that's straight hate right there, aka Simon at the MT-07. Absolutely lives on one wheel. Oh yeah, it's Jakey 2 Sticks right there. Make sure you guys give all these guys a follow. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, comment. You guys know the deal. It helps more than you know. But yeah, it was just a fun time just out here at the lot. You guys know what I'm saying. So just showing you guys what it's like at the lot. Feel me? Especially like the only e-bike there. I know you don't hear me in the video because I'm just like basically silent. You probably hear a little bit of chain noise, but that's about it. But all these other guys, yo, that's Kev right there. He changed his IG. I don't even know what his name is anymore, but my man can get that thing up to 12 like it's nothing. It's always fun coming out of the lot, you know what I'm saying? It was kind of windy this day, so like I know for me, my wheels don't have enough weight, so I was getting bounced. Oh yeah, Simon on the Surron, zipping. Yo, how is it? Yo, this thing's too fast. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's for real. Yeah. Yo, imagine like, yeah. You got to go put a helmet on and ride this thing. This is that fast, yo. That 72 volt ain't no joke, y'all. Shout out to Electro and Company. That EMX Ron kit is legit or legitimate for you little word pickers.
Yo, from MT-07 to Surron. And like,
but we back to the video, y'all. We out here getting it. Showing these cats I ain't no scrub. I'm out here doing the wheelie dash with the best of them, you feel me? And not no little scrub, little power wheel. It's got the control. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. There's not much left, but enjoy the wheelies, enjoy the tunes, you feel me? It ain't much more than that.
yes sir! Yes sir!
As you guys can see, great days is coming out. It's on the early season. We got a lot of summer. We got a lot of busing to get through. You feel me? So make sure you guys stay tuned. More content and all that, because we got all that. Subscribe, like, and comment. You guys know the rest. More content coming soon. Peace.